Hi guys, I'm your friend Rice Power. In Korea, it's heavy raining. In this weather, I wanna drink soju with eating Sundubu Jjigae. How about enjoying together? Okay, give me music. Getting rid of poop inside of anchovy is really important. I don't wanna eat the sour stew. There is a kelp, so we shouldn't boil for a long time, only 10 minutes. The white part of green onion has a rich flavor. If you can't eat the spicy food very well, you can skip pepper. It takes a lot of oil to make a seasoning. Green onion and garlic flavor can catch the smell of pork very well. I add oil little by little frequently. Get the basic taste by sugar, salt, soy sauce. Anchovy sauce can make a deep flavor of soup, but it's not necessary. Only green part. Adding red pepper powder amount is much more than you're thinking. It doesn't mean it's so much spicy. Have to clean clam. I will use salt. Before water boil, add the clam, it makes more flavor. Lastly, add a mozzarella cheese, add soft tofu. Main part is not Sundubu Jigae, it's soju. With listening raining sound, drinking soju can make me emotional. And then 1 spoon of Sundubu Jigae, oh, just heaven. The more I drink, the more emotional I become. I shouldn't show anymore. I recommend this combination in a rainy day. See you guys in next video. Have a great day. Your subscription and likes give me power.